Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are with our latest Craftsman toolkit. As you can see, top quality American made, not Chinese like most of them. Proper ratchets, real heavy, rebuildable. See, test circuit out, rebuild it, change levers, etc. You've got your nice deep socket, single hex, means they won't round the bolts. Unusual for nowadays, single hex again. Multi-hex, you must don't use them. Okay. Right, the socket drivers, imperial, metric. You've got your imperial spanners, sorry, metric spanners followed by imperial spanners. You've got your mini spanners, magneto spanners. You've got your Allen keys, extensions, loads of small sockets in back drive, bits, etc. Screwdriver bits, and Allen keys. Full list of everything included. This bit here comes down, stops the thing coming apart, and your tools falling out. As you can see, comes from out of tape obviously. This shows our offer. This toolkit normally £107 plus that. We have these on offer at £99.50 including that. So if you want one, just call 01773835666 or www.customcruisers.com. As you can see, this will be your Harley, your Dodge, your American car, anything. The Craftsman top brand, marketed by Sears in the USA. But, not Chinese tools at all, these are all made in the USA. Thank you.